So here it is, huh?
Yeah.
Looked like his original yellow car.
It was yellow. They painted it red.
Yeah.
I got that guy was drag racing it probably.
Well, hey guys, welcome back. Chuck House and Mopar. I'm gonna go look at a car today. Project car, I guess. I don't know. It is in Dallas-Fort Worth Metro Complex. I'm down here now. I'm in the shop truck. It sits down here these days. Wow. Anyway, a man named John's had a 65 Coronet 500 for about 20 years, he says. He's a Ford guy. He picked it up because he had a gold 65. Some guy had it, and he bought it, claiming it had a Hemi in it. So anyway, yeah, this car is supposed to have a 440 in it. It's a 500, so it's black bucket seat, formerly some kind of canary yellow or light yellow. Been painted red, patinaed out, you see in the thumbnail. I don't know, do I need another project? You guys are probably like, hell yeah, Chuck, go for it. So anyway, talks cheap. He wants a little bit of money for it. We'll see how clean it is. It'd be a lot easier to do a deal on this if it wasn't a 12-hour drive one way, you know, to trailer a thing home. So I don't know. We'll go see. All right, here we go. And you said it was a power steering car?
Yeah. Power steered, air conditioning.
How about that, huh? And you've been collecting parts. These are the door cards.
Need to be reglued.
They're not terrible, are they? From what I see.
No, they're new.
Oh, they're new?
Yeah. They just come unglued.
Yeah. Yeah.
They were new, let's put it
They
that
were
way.
new. You got an extra
I got 2 or 3 of them.
console.
Yeah. 2 or 3 of them.
That's pretty neat.
Let's reglue that.
Yep. Ain't no big deal, is it? Radio.
Radio.
It's like
Radio. That's 440.
This is 440.
Yeah. They're like
Oh yeah.
this right here. I got some more of these too.
Do you?
Yeah.
You just pick them up as they show up, huh?
Well, you know, I bought most of them at the paint swap meet or
Yeah.
yes, you ain't never been at paint swap meet.
I never did. I always wanted to, but
Well, it's coming up pretty soon.
I'm gonna have to remember that. I write that down, put it on my
Coming
calendar.
up, hell, you better carry your wagon with you.
Maybe if I don't bring a wagon, I don't buy anything. Yeah, a little Bondo there.
Huh?
Little Bondo here, it looks like. Not too bad.
No, that's not too bad.
Do you ever drive it?
No, it's been sitting right here.
Has it?
I bought it. It's been sitting right here. Never moved.
Never moved.
Yeah, yeah, it's colored wood.
Yeah.
Trim for it. And a headlight, bumper. And I got everything for that. It's got them wheels on it. Put this one back on here.
Oh,
Got
yeah.
wheels like that.
Oh,
Big
yeah.
wide ones on the back.
She ain't too bad.
That's
I'll crawl underneath it later on. It's all right if I open the door? Black bucket seats, black console. Wow. There was a, oh no. Seats are, that back seat's good, front seat's good, guys, Jesus. AC car. Let's see what we got down here. Yeah. Door looks good. I'll look closer. Oh, I mutter to myself, John. And so it's got a 440 in it now. Kind of sitting in there cockeyed a little, looks like, huh?
I got that too.
Oh, you have the fender tag?
I got that. I got everything for that thing.
Good under here too, huh? Didn't rust out the
Yeah.
little bit there, but
That thing ever rusted out there.
I've seen worse, that's for sure.
I ain't too sure. I might have that battery box.
Well, it's not a 440, John.
It's not?
Nope.
What is it?
Don't know, probably 383 more than likely. The 440's got a pad right here.
Oh.
And the number, it'd be over here, but we probably can't see it because it's paint on there. That's all right. Cool big old air cleaner.
Yeah, big old carburetor too.
Yeah, I'd see that.
I got that rest of the air cleaner.
The base to it. Huh. Those look like max wedge valve covers or 426 wedge. They put a 426 wedge in these, you know, you can order not many, but those valve covers, bumper isn't too hammered.
No, it's always in it, huh?
AC car.
I don't know what that thing is.
Ignition box, I guess.
Yeah.
Is that? And you got the grill.
Grill, the headlight buckets.
Mm-hmm. You got all the trim too.
All that trim, all this trim. Just top it here and go. I have to trim through all the way down. Oh. I like them red. You got that hubcap now?
All the center lines, yeah.
I got all of
Doors are pretty good.
Remember the brand new seats in the front?
Are they? You know, they look great, huh? Yeah, they sure
The
do.
black one has to be replaced.
It's just got that stitching ripped up there.
Yeah. I've got, is there a back seat in this thing?
Yep,
Oh,
yep, it's all there.
I had it outside.
81,000 miles, huh?
I'm sure that's 181.
Some of the trim.
It's in here, I guarantee.
Yeah, there's a rad.
There's Falcon parts and everything in there.
Well,
Better shut up, boy.
oh, that's a big dog.
Around here somewhere, I know.
Yeah, that's my garage. It's around there somewhere.
Yeah.
There's some hoods. All right. That's
I
it.
think that's the same color. And I want to change hoods now. I can put that
Yeah.
on her and make it hot rod.
Just a 50?
50 miles.
51? Yeah, I like shoe boxes. I don't care what you say. They're cool.
I got stuff everywhere.
Yep. That car's cool.
Yeah, it is too.
Thanks. 14-inch tires. You can fit a big one in the back, though.
Yeah, it's big out here.
Yeah.
Bigger. He's like that one over there.
Okay.
Oh.
I think that one might be shot. Guess I'm videoing. Well, that was that. I guess you guys can see me. Like I said, I got doing my phone here. I'm shifting, making sure I don't get lost. It's about 35 miles away from where I was. Pretty straight. Straight is one thing. Not real rusty. The floor pans aren't as bad as Louise's. It's clearly had some body work back on the driver tail light. See some Bondo cracking. I think that car would be beautiful turquoise, boys. Yeah. So we got a hot rod shop over here. Oh yeah, whatever. I can't show you. Yeah, I told him I'm thinking about it. I told him that if he was just down the road, it'd be no question I'd come pick it up. But it's 12 hours each way for me to drive down here and get this thing, haul the trailer down and get it. I mean, you get what you pay for. That's a clean car. I have 2 floor pans for that car too. And it's just no more, the holes are no bigger than a dinner plate on that. It would be a piece of cake, easy peasy. Yeah, clearly not a 440, likely a 383. He had a 402 oil pan in the back, and that was 66 and up. B bodies, and the E bodies got that oil pan. Said it cranked over. I mean, that is immaterial, really. I'd like the low deck 383 versus a 440, you know, 400, because it's just smaller. Had some Headman headers on there. Underneath the battery tray looked good. Didn't look rusted out. Rusty. The bones are better than Louise, you know, but yeah, this is not close. Claims he's got some more consoles and dash. I don't know. Anyway, that's that for now. I'll talk to you when I get back home.
2 weeks later.
So I went back and looked at that car again. She's pretty clean. Real clean, actually. Still spending what he wanted for it. And it's 650 miles one way, 12-hour drive. It's an AC car. It is a power steering car, which is, both of those are pretty appealing, just because, you know, driving these things with big tires on the front, yeah, it's like 30 turns to parallel park one way. Super clean. I love those. I've fallen in love with those 65 body styles. I don't know, it's just the whole thing of driving down there, diesel fuel. It's a long ride. I don't know if I'm gonna, I don't know what to do. It's a cool car. Everything's there. There's 2 pieces of trim missing. I think the windshield molding around the rear is missing still. All the headliner bows are there. Tons of parts. He's been collecting stuff for 18 years. I just don't know. What do you guys think? Go get her or not? Haven't decided yet. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Yeah, I did a thing. Stick around, you're gonna see some more. I'm an idiot. All right, America, my butt is officially hurt. Breaking from the tunes here. Route 69 in north of McAllister, Oklahoma is absolute shit. It's so damn rough. It knocked out that light over there. And take a look down here. I lost a ramp. Gotta be crapping me. So here we are again. You guys need to fix that road. It's been shit for 5 or 6 years. I've been up and down this path more than once. It's all nice down here where everybody's at. Make some more lemonade here. Okay. You know that old joke, I used to like boobs till I got a set of my own. Yeah, it was pretty bad up there. Anyway. Well, that's it. I made it. 1,400 miles and change in the last 24 hours. I'm home. It's about 12, quarter to 1 in the morning. Anyway, we'll see where this leads us, huh? Yeah. Anyway, that's all I got for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.